Today I am going to share with you my English language learning activity. It is a story with 15 adverbs and 135 words. This is my learning activity. The name of the story is Cooking with My Mother. Now I am going to explain my story. Let's have a look, friends. Cooking with my mother. I got a lovely opportunity today to help my mother cook dinner. I cut the vegetables exactly as she instructed and began cutting them evenly into small pieces. My mom patiently stood by my side, watching me perform each task carefully. Once the vegetables were finely cut, she lit the stove and slowly poured some oil into the heated pan to prevent the oil from splashing. But in spite of her warning, unfortunately, I dropped the vegetables into the oil all at once and got my arm badly burnt. My mother quickly came to my rescue and lovingly applied ointment on my burns. I acknowledged my mistake sadly but felt happy when my mom patted my back sweetly. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye friends.